Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you want to make sure you're always prepared when you're on the road? Well, I want to show you this RotopaX mount, which is an awesome way to make sure that you have enough fuel with you wherever you go. So we have this RotopaX mount here on a motorcycle, but you can mount these to a variety of different vehicles. They're great for a lot of different applications. So maybe you're going off-roading and you want to make sure you have enough fuel, or even a long road trip. So it's definitely a really versatile product. So the way that it works is you mount it to whichever place you're going to put it. We have it here mounted on the frame of this motorcycle. And then you use this with the RotopaX gas containers, and they work super well. So basically you just unscrew this to open it up and bring the piece out. You place the container onto it, and then you go ahead and screw it back on. This is a very comfortable, it's very ergonomic. It has these little rivets here for your fingers. So it just does a really good job of being able to get a nice tight fit very comfortably. And that makes this super secure. So we have used this on the bike and taken it on long trips. And there is no movement, there's no wiggle, everything is just super secure and exactly where you want it. So it has a nice low profile, you barely notice that it's there, and it gets the job done. So if you're looking to pack some extra fuel in a really seamless, streamlined way, then I would definitely check out the RotopaX mount, and that's my point of view.